there, kids! We're back! The coolest fruit on the block. We're yummy cherries! We've got juicy secrets and silly stories for you! That's right. We're here to prove that cherries aren't just tasty, we're hilarious. Did you know some people think cherries are tiny apples? Tiny apples? Excuse me. We're way cooler than apples. Apples don't even have pits. You've got to have a pit to be the life of the party. Speaking of pits, did you know we're basically nature's superheroes? Our pits can grow into cherry trees. Yup, we're tree starters. Imagine planting one of us and growing your very own cherry kingdom. A cherry kingdom with rivers of cherry juice and clouds made of whipped cream. I'd build a castle out of cherry pies. And I'd make slides out of cherry stems. That's the dream! By the way, have you ever tried to use a cherry stem as a lasso? I did once. A dog caught a blueberry. It was awesome! But you know what's kinda strange? People only love us when we're sweet. What about our sour cousins? They're fun too. Imagine eating a sour cherry while riding a roller coaster. Double the thrill! Sour cherries are like little pranksters. They make your face go all scrunched up. Try one sometime, it's like a flavor adventure. And speaking of adventures, did you know cherries have been around for thousands of years? Ancient humans used to eat us too. I wonder if cavemen had cherry fights. Hey, speaking of snacks, do you think other fruits ever get jealous of us? Like, bananas are always slipping up, oranges have to peel themselves, and grapes just get squished into juice. We're the ultimate fruit! Being a cherry isn't all fun and games. We have to be careful during the summer. Ever hear of a thing called cherry pickers? Yeah, they're out there looking for us. It's like dodgeball for cherries. All right, let's get serious for a second. Did you know cherries are packed with vitamins? That's right, we're tiny health boosters. We're like little red superheroes, fighting off the bad guys in your body. Don't forget, life is always better with a little cherry on top. We'll see you next time. Bye.